Well, I got shims underneath there. It took me a little bit to figure that out, and I'm not quite sure about the far end. Once I put this next tile, I can put it in there, and then if it looks like it's too low, I can slide this out, and I can just slide it out, you know, 6 or 7 inches. And that's what I'm planning on doing here. Okay. And I think I can get that tile in there underneath the rail. Pretty sure that's how I did it before. Okay, I'm going to get it. Hang tight here. Still going to respect these last ones. I'm going to respect these last ones just like the other ones, because I mean, it's late in the afternoon. Last thing I want is for something to go wrong. You know? Or for me to hurt my back. When I took these out, I marked them left, center, right. I didn't want to make the assumption that they were all the same size. In fact, this one's a little bit bigger than the others. Not a whole lot, but a little. Boy. Try to walk this backwards if I can. It's just right on the edge. I guess I could just push it off. I don't think it'll mess up the edge, but hey, if it does mess up the edge, just put a piece of plywood there, just a little. Use that as a little wedge. There. And now pull this out. Oh, okay. I guess I can get it over here. Now that I've got it in there, right? Oh, no, I can't. Grief. And I can see that other little tile needs to be raised up. Well, I better get it tight, just so I can kind of see how far it is. This one's fine. You see this one I've got on there, and I've got to raise that one up, don't I? quite a bit. Probably up so that I'm tight to the trim, and that's all. That's all I can do. Okay, so I'll have to work on that next in order to do that. So I don't have to really pull this tile out all the way. What's happening? On that edge. Okay, that gives me enough room. That should be enough. Okay. I can leave that right like that. And I can see what I need to do. I've got to get that back end pushed up all the way to the bottom of that stucco mold. Nice going, Joe. That looks good. Right up tight to the stucco mold there. This stucco trim was not level, was not sloping the right directions or anything, so you know, all I want to do at this point is match everything. That one looks good. I measured from here over 48, and it's fine, and it's off of that line because everything had to be shifted. I remembered that now. That way that lines up a little bit better and stuff. I'm still gonna put this one in over here, and I can't really shim it at all, because this is flat, this is a big enough piece, and this is right up tight to the underneath side of the stucco mold, and I'm pushed down flush on there, and I'm good to go. I am good to go. Look at, out of 12 shims, that's what I got left, right there, the thinnest little bit of that. That's all I got left. Mommy kept asking me, hey, when you get ready, I'll help you. And I thought, no. First off, I wanted to show you that it could be done by yourself. Secondly, she's like a bull in a china shop. I gotta look around, see if she's around. I'm more finesse, and if it needs to be shimmed, if it needs a little tweaking here and there, if I need to spend a little bit extra time, I'll do it. Mommy, not so much. So I'm like, no, babe, that's fine. I can do it. I can do it. I want to show it all on camera. And so that's why there's no way she would still be out here. She would have wanted to just throw them in, plop, 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 and be done with it. That's just not the way it works. At least not for me anyways, it doesn't. Alright, I'll be right back with the centerpiece. I'm coming. Just trying to stay on my cardboard as best I can. Oh, this isn't the center. This is the, that's right, this is the far right one. Okay. The far right one. That's what this one is. Make sure I've got the cut facing down, which I do. With your legs. Little by little. Right. Ooh. It's situated here. Walking it back. Walk it back. Almost have it all the way. There. Like that. I'll put this over here. My fingers out of the way. Ooh. Oh man. One heavy mama. Ooh. Pretty sure that's where it's going to live, but I'm going to take a final measurement here. 24, 23 and 7/8. 23 and 7/8, which means I got to push that way just a hair, not very much, just a bit. Let's see what I can do here. That was probably enough. That was probably enough. I will measure this. 24 and an 1/8 looks like. Let's see, I'll have to adjust. I'll have to adjust that last one. And now I've got to stand on this. Oh no. Say it's not so, Joe. Let's see what we got to do with that. If that's down like that. That's because it's up high here. I floated it down, and I think I've got to put a shim right there. Right there. Oh boy. Oh, okay. I know what I can do. Alright, that's where I'm going to have to put a shim. I don't want it at the far left, because if I do it over there, then this next one's not going to line up with it, is it? So I've got to put a shim right there, and I think I've got something for that. I don't have enough shimming material there, do I? I'll find something. I'll be right back to show you what I'm going to use.